Welcome to episode 12 of One-Click Learning 9 for Data Analysis. This episode is powered by Assignment on Click. In engineering, a system is only as strong as its components. Remove a single missing support, and the structure loses its ability to distribute weight. Data analysis works on the same principle. Each empty cell in a dataset represents a missing piece of information that your model needs to function. When these gaps are left unaddressed, they distort your averages and reduce the mathematical power of your tests. This makes your final reports less accurate and compromises the integrity of your results. Over the next few minutes, we will build a KNIME workflow that identifies these gaps and automatically cleans them, giving you a complete dataset that is ready for analysis. Managing these missing values is the first line of defense in ensuring your predictive models are based on complete information. The first step is diagnosis. Open KNIME so we can map out the scope of the missing data. Search the node or repository for the missing value node. Drag it into your workspace and connect it to your raw dataset. As the team at Assignment on Click emphasizes, you cannot fix what you haven't first inspected. After executing the node, look at the output views. These red question mark icons indicate exactly where the null values are located within your columns. Quantifying these gaps is a mandatory step. You need to know the pattern of the missing data before deciding on a mathematical correction. Now that the gaps are visible, let's look at imputation. This process replaces missing values with estimates to keep your dataset intact. For numerical columns, configure the missing value node to calculate the mean or median to fill empty slots. Categorical data requires a different setting. Instead, use the most frequent value to fill missing entries. A common failure point is applying a numerical mean to a text-based column. This will cause your KNIME workflow to stop and return an error. If you need more complex calculations, you can use the column aggregator node or group by node to create custom values before feeding them into the missing value node. Successful imputation depends on matching the correct statistical method to the specific data type. If replacing data isn't appropriate, use the row filter node to remove the incomplete entries entirely. Set the row filter to exclude any rows containing missing values in your primary columns. This ensures that every row remaining in your table is complete. Once you execute the node, check the output table. You will see a lower row count, but the remaining data is free of null markers. If you aren't sure which approach is right for your specific data project, you can reach out to the experts at Assignment on Click for specialized support. While removing rows ensures your data is complete, it also reduces your sample size, making it a secondary option for smaller datasets. To choose the right strategy, use this 3-point criteria. Check data types, look for patterns, and assess the proportion of missing data. Checking the total proportion of missing data is vital. If you delete rows when a large percentage of data is missing, you risk losing the very information you're trying to analyze. For more difficult scenarios, KNIME offers predictive imputation, using algorithms like K-nearest neighbors to estimate values based on other variables. Regardless of your choice, use KNIME's annotation tools to document your strategy. This allows other users to follow the logic of your cleaning process. In just a few steps, we've taken a dataset riddled with gaps and transformed it into a clean, usable table for your analysis. Looking at the comparison, the original table is full of gaps. On the right, the final output is fully processed and ready for modeling. You have now mastered the techniques for handling missing values in KNIME. Thank you for joining us for episode 12 of One-Click Learning, 9 for Data Analysis. For academic and data project assistance, remember to contact Assignment on Click. Ensuring every data point is accounted for is what allows your predictive modeling and business intelligence to produce reliable results.